aBlocks. Global styles, typography, and theme styling features are now live. With these tools, creating a dynamic and consistent design system for your website is now easier than ever before. Instead of manually changing colors and fonts on every page, you can control your entire website's look from one place. When you update a global color or font once, it instantly applies across all pages, headings, buttons, links, and every element that uses global settings. aBlocks also lets you override your WordPress theme's default styling directly from Gutenberg. This includes global control over colors, fonts, paragraph text, headings, links, and more, giving you complete design freedom. Now let's see how we implement global colors and typography on our website instead of doing the same repeated tasks again and again. First, make sure you have installed and activated aBlocks. We can access aBlocks global colors and typography settings from any page or post. But for now, we will open it from Appearance, then Editor. It will load the FSE environment, and when you click anywhere on the page, you will see the aBlocks icon on the top right corner. This is the aBlocks Global Settings panel. From here, we can set global colors, typography, custom colors, and we can also override default theme styles with colors and typography for headings, links, and body text. Now let's explore the design system. First, let's set the global primary color. Here we can set a solid color or a gradient color as a global color for the primary color. In the same way, we can set the secondary color, text colors, and accent colors. We can also set custom colors if needed. Next, we can set system fonts globally, such as primary fonts, secondary fonts, text fonts, and accent fonts. Let's start with the primary font. Choose the font family, font size, weight, transform, style, or decoration as needed. Do the same for the secondary, text, and accent fonts. If needed, we can add more fonts as global fonts. And even set fallback font families. After completing all changes, just hit the Save Changes button. Now let's implement those global colors into our website. First, identify the container where you want to change the background color. Here we have the normal color option, and we can also set a global color by clicking the globe icon. Here we see all our preset global colors. We just set our primary color as the background here. Nice. Now let's change the button color using the same global color style. After that, let's apply global typography to our heading. Click the global icon and select your desired font. Now let's continue using our global colors everywhere on the website. It may take a little bit of time at first, but it will save a lot of time later. If we need to change anything globally, we can do it with just one click, and it will update thousands of colors automatically. After applying all global colors across the website, just hit the Save button. Now let's take a preview. Visit the website and see the changes. Now our brand colors are updated across the entire website using global colors. So if we ever need to change our colors across the whole website, we just change the global color, and it will automatically update everywhere with just one click. For example, let's change our secondary global color from the Global Settings panel. After updating the color and saving the settings, It instantly updates everywhere after a reload. Now let's explore how theme style works. Let's move to an existing WordPress post or page to override the theme style. In the theme style settings, we can see body text color, body text typography, and we can change all colors globally and set typography for everything as the default theme setting. Let's try adding a new body text color and set the typography and paragraph spacing. Next, let's add the link text colors and typography. Just click and set the desired color and typography. We set the link color to blue and the typography to Poppins. Now it's time to add global color and typography for H1. After adding the color, we set the typography as needed. Then we follow the same process for the other headings like H4, H5, and H6. We also set the color and typography for H3 and adjust the size. After finishing all the settings, hit Save Changes. After saving, we can see the changes in the settings panel. Now let's test how it works. When we add a link, the link color automatically follows the global color from the theme style. Good feel, right? Let's take a preview. Now let's also test the global theme style for heading 3. And yes, it works perfectly as we need. This will save you a ton of time because changing global colors will automatically update all colors across the entire website. Instead of doing everything manually on every page, you can now manage it globally. This gives you more peace and more freedom to invest your creative time in creative tasks instead of repeated manual color changes everywhere. How do you like this feature? Comment on the video. If you have any questions, just drop them here. We will reach out to you. Thank you.